Have you ever dreamed of having your own serene and elegant Japanese garden? It's a tranquil space, an emblem of grace. With a touch of planning and the right materials, you can craft this peaceful haven. In the next few moments, we will guide you through the simple steps to create your own Japanese garden. To begin, it's important to understand the essential elements of a Japanese garden. These gardens are typically composed of water, rocks, plants, and ornaments. Water, often represented by a pond or stream, symbolizes life and purity. Rocks lend a sense of permanence and stability. Plants, chosen for their seasonal appeal, add color and life. Ornaments like lanterns and bridges add a touch of elegance. Remember, balance and harmony are key in Japanese garden design. With these elements, your garden will start to take shape. Now that you're familiar with the elements, it's time to bring your Japanese garden to life. The journey begins with choosing the perfect location. Consider the natural elements around you. A serene spot under a large tree or near a quiet pond could be ideal. Once you've found your location, it's time to plan the layout. Visualize where you want to place the elements. Where will the stone lantern go? How about the water basin or the stepping stones? Sketch out your ideas on paper to help bring your vision into focus. Finally, it's time to implement your design. This is where your Japanese garden truly starts to take shape. Place each element with care, and remember to take a step back every now and then to appreciate your progress. Remember, creating a Japanese garden is not just about the end result. The process itself is a journey of tranquility and introspection. And there you have it, your very own pocket of serenity and elegance. Just remember, creating a Japanese garden is about reflecting nature's beauty and embodying Zen's spirit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening!